Hello everyone. Today I am Ankit Kumar from GNM first year.
And I, Harshit from GNM first year.
We are here to demonstrate the oral care of an unconscious patient. Oral care. Oral care is a care given to the patient for his oral cavity and mouth for functioning good oral cavity and maintain the proper hygiene of the mouth and remove the bad smells from the mouth and in the digestion of foods, proper digestion of the foods. Let me see the equipment used in the oral cares. Here is Harshit which tells about the equipments which are used in oral care of unconscious patients.
This is artery forceps, and this is thumb forceps. This is suction tube which we use for unconscious patient to do the oral care. This is mouth gag and this is tongue depressor. Here this is the solution of
Potassium permanganate.
Potassium permanganate. Here are some gloves and gauze piece, cotton balls, and this is sanitizer.
Kidney tray.
And this is kidney tray.
These are all the equipments which are used in oral care of an unconscious patient. Let me start the procedure. Let me start the procedure of oral care of an unconscious patient. So first, we place a Macintosh under the pillow and the shoulder of a unconscious patient, and round a towel around the neck and tuck in under the shoulder of a patient. So all the wets, all the liquids and secretion of the mouth, secretion from the mouth of an unconscious patient cannot spit on the top linen or the clothes of the patients. Before starting, let us do a hand hygiene. Use sanitizer. Put on gloves. Now we do proper hand hygiene and put on proper sterile gloves to prevent the infection. Before doing any procedure, let's introduce yourself to the patients. Hello, I am Ankit Kumar.
And I am Harshit.
We are staff. We are nursing officer of this hospital, and today we are assist to give you oral care. So let me start the procedure. Here the patient's name is Himanshu. So first we introduce yourself to patients.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Hello, Mr. Himanshu. How are you feeling? And today I am Ankit Kumar,
And I, Harshit.
Staff nurse of this hospital, assist you to give the oral care. So
Let's start the process.
put a Macintosh under the patient's head and shoulder, and round the towel around the neck of the patients, and put a kidney tray under the mouth, so all the secretions which are secreted will collect in the kidney tray. And put a suction tube. To secrete out the extra saliva secretions or the extra liquids which are used in the procedure. Put on mouth gag. Take artery forceps. Take artery forceps and round gauze tips around the artery forceps like this, and put in solution. And with the help of squeezing forceps, squeeze it out the extra solutions. And start cleaning the chewing part of the patient teeth. upper and lower, and use one gauze paste for one single use, and remove it out. Use another for another side. Wipe out the mouth during the procedure. Same before, squeeze in solution and squeeze out the extra solution with the help of squeezing forceps. And jump it. And take my tongue depressor. Water में बुलाते हैं कुछ.
स्प्लिट क्या करेगा?
स्प्लिट तो ना करेगा कुछ भी.
मतलब बाहर एक्सप्लिट क्या होगा?
या तो जो यूज कर रहे हैं सोल्यूशन होगा, सलाइवा तो निकलता रहता है. Take another gauze piece. Dip in solution and use tongue depressor and depress the tongue and clean out the tongue thoroughly. And remove mouth gap and suction tube. Wipe mouth. Take a cotton ball. Apply some lubricant or petroleum jelly and apply on the lips gently to prevent the cracking of lips. Now remove all the articles from the bed sides. Remove the Macintosh and the towel.
So this is how you can provide an oral care to the unconscious patient. Thank
Thank
you.
you.